These new converts were often called upon to fill important roles in establishing Zion. One of these converts was William W. Phelps. He came to Missouri from New York, where he had worked as a newspaper editor. His conversion to the church came after having read the Book of Mormon, of which he exclaimed,
"By that book, I found the key to the holy prophets, and by that book began to unfold the mysteries of God."
Throughout the 1830s, the prophet Joseph Smith received a great number of revelations from the Lord, many of which contained instruction concerning the doctrine and government of the growing church. On May 29, 1832, William W. Phelps opened a printing office in Independence. Soon afterward, he was commissioned to print a collection of the revelations Joseph Smith had received from the Lord. This collection was called the Book of Commandments. Through these publications, members of the church would have access to the teachings and doctrines of the church. They would now be able to study the Lord's revelations in their own homes. They would truly know the gospel and be more prepared to fully live it. As an expression of his gratitude for the Lord's many revelations to the church, Phelps penned these words to a beloved hymn. "Now let us rejoice in the day of salvation. Good tidings are sounding to us and each nation, and shortly the hour of redemption will come."